we have the Helios confined space drone. That is a drone designed for confined spaces. It's collision tolerant, meaning it can bounce, it can roll, it can knock off of structures, but designed for confined spaces. Then we come along, we have the DJI M300 RTK, right? We use this one for methane testing, flare inspections. We have a zoom camera. We have a thermal imaging camera for it as well. Then we have the smaller RPAS, and that's remotely piloted aviation aerial system. We have the M2EA here. It is both optical and thermal, and that one we would use for undersides of platforms where the bigger drones can't go. The latest acquisition is the DJI M350. This one we have fitted out with a Tritex UT sensor. This UT sensor allows us to take metal thickness readings at height. So what we're doing here is minimizing the risk of putting people up at height to take UT readings. With scaffolding, rope access, etc. We can get it done with this particular drone. We have now in front there the VT150 robotic crawler with 625 foot of tether. That crawler is designed for pipeline inspections. It's subsea, meaning it can go in both fresh and salt water, any non-corrosive liquid. Pan, tilt and optical zoom with LED lighting. Then we come down to this bad boy. This is our ROV, fitted with a UT sensor. So underwater we could take readings of metal thickness, whether it's a hull, it's a tank, the inside of a firewater tank. And then of course you get video and still shots with this ROV. And then our latest acquisition is the Troglotrek crawler, 4-inch diameter pipeline inspections. So that one we can go up from 16 inches to 72-inch pipeline. This one we could do 4 to 16-inch pipelines very easily. We could change the configuration, right, to raise the chassis, so we can put this on now and it can go into bigger pipes. And then we could also change the wheels depending on which chassis it is we're using. So this is the lineup here today. And of course the last one is our unmanned surface recovery vessel, the Dolphin one, perfect for man overboard. If you have work over water, near shore, etc., this is a robotic rescue unit that you can remotely pilot to someone in the water. So that's our lineup here at the Energy Conference 2024.